think it's right. Just your box. Rest stop so we can have breakfast, because our campsite over there last night had a ton of mosquitoes, so we don't want to be cooking outside with a million mosquitoes all around. But we're gonna have our breakfast here with this nice view right here. Probably there is some good compositions as well, but I don't have a lot of film left, so I'm gonna save the film for Bodhi, and I'm gonna use my digital camera for now. Yeah, so I can save the shots for the old houses. Oh, you can see a lake over there. Awesome. Right. Gonna have breakfast, put out the awning, and yeah, be awesome. Let's go. Look at where we're at. Still a bit of rest so we can enjoy this view right here. Look at this. I don't know how these people went down here to swim, but look, so beautiful. What the hell? Like the watercolors are definitely coloring. Different shades. Beautiful, just absolutely beautiful. Looks awesome. Hell yeah, we're gonna continue going up. Just a little bit of rest for Monty. Temperatures are alright. Well, it's hot outside, so we gotta move at our own pace. So yeah, let's go. Going through a thick forest right now, and that's one advantage of the Monty, because it's like narrow, right? We can you can go through that stuff easily. I saw a bunch of wide ass cars, things like that. And I think it's too stressful for me if I'm driving that in here, because like you might never know, maybe you get a really narrow road and you're pretty much effed. So this is beautiful, it's relaxing, and temperature the temperatures were hot. It's hot outside, not gonna lie, you know. And but we're using tactical gear changes so we can maximize the cooling, switching between low range and then second gear, things like that, and it's maximizing our cooling. Now trans temps are only 200 and the water temperatures are pretty good. It's 185, so we're very chilling. So hell yeah, that's why you need a captain behind the wheel, not just drive and go straight, or else you're gonna blow a head gasket or something. All right, let's continue. We got about like 25 miles left or so. And we need gas, but I have my extra 5 gallons, so we'll probably be fine until then. So yeah, let's go. Cute old town. Dance hall. This is Forest City. We're on a road, back on dirt road. But we finished our last uphill. Trans temps shot to 230, but after that we're good. But yeah, we're gonna continue our journey. Let's go. 2-wheel drive. Look at the bridge we're in. Looks cool. Type shit. We better take a photo. To the bridge again. We're gonna go camp because we're done with the trail now, which is awesome. That means we finished in 4 days, I think. That means tomorrow we have time to explore Mona Lake and what is it? The Sierras? No, the Mona Lake and Bodhi, the ghost town. Yeah, so we're just gonna find a camp spot right here because it's 5, almost 6. So yeah, and then go ahead with our journey. Let's go. Last campsite in Tahoe. It's at the end of the trail. Pretty exhausted from driving. I don't know how many hours we've been driving, but we've been driving since 9 a.m. We took like an hour break, and now it's 6. So a lot of off-road. Just tired. Now we're in half civilization. Tomorrow we head down. 260 off-road miles, which is awesome. Truck did very well. Impressed. Let's go.